Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be doing some vacuuming with my new Dyson, and I'm going to be showing the tangle-free turbine tool. I really like this turbine tool. It really works really good. It doesn't tangle with anything, and it really picks up all the hair and everything. Nothing gets tangled, and I'm going to show you that with all these long pieces of string. I'm going to put it on the end of the Dyson and show you guys. That's all of that. And as you can see, nothing at all gets caught in the turbine. It's all in the bin. Now I'm just going to do some vacuuming with it, since I've never really done any vacuuming videos. I have some confetti I'll put down. A lot of confetti. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.